Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Crypto's on fire right now, Bitcoin's pushing new highs. Altcoins are waking up and it feels like everyone's talking crypto again. But with all the hype and headlines, let's get real for a second. How do you actually survive and thrive in this bull run, instead of getting caught up and left holding the bag? First up, let's talk about what's driving this run. This time it's not just retail FOMO, institutions are back. I'm talking Circle, Galaxy Digital and some major funds. We've got Bitcoin ETFs now, which means serious money is pouring in. And with all this talk of interest rate cuts, risk-on assets like crypto are looking better than ever. So this isn't just another meme-fueled rally, this is smart money season and you've got to play it smart too. If you're holding Bitcoin or ETH, here's my move: zoom out. Set clear profit targets at those big psychological levels, think $75K, $100K for Bitcoin. Don't try to time the exact top, start scaling out as those targets hit. Taking some profits on the way up is way better than watching your gains vanish in a flash crash. Trust me, I've been there. Now, if you're trading altcoins, keep an eye on Bitcoin dominance. When it dips below 60%, that's usually when altcoins get their moment. Start looking at sectors that are hot right now: layer 2 projects, real-world asset tokens, even AI-driven plays. But don't just chase whatever's pumping, focus on projects with legit fundamentals, active dev teams, and real trading volume. Hype fades, but real value sticks around. While prices are climbing, it's also prime time to earn some passive income. If you're holding ETH or SOL, staking is a solid way to pick up extra yield. Stick to trusted platforms like Lido, or go with native protocols that have strong security records. On Bitget, you can check out Earn products, Simple Earn, On-Chain Earn, and even VIP Wealth Management for some passive strategies that don't require you to stare at charts all day. But here's the big one: risk management. It's the difference between walking away a winner or getting rinsed. Use limit orders, set price alerts, and always keep an eye on market sentiment. When everyone's celebrating and calling for the moon, that's usually the danger zone. Diversify, take profits regularly, and whatever you do, don't go all in on the latest hype coin. Protect your capital first, chase gains second. And if you want to trade with lower fees and faster swaps, Bitget's worth a look. Their copy trading and AI bots make things even easier, great for beginners. Or if you just want to follow the pros. Use code 3N4RXWZQ for some sweet benefits, the link's down below. If this helped, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop your crypto bull run strategy in the comments. Stay smart, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one.